everyone. So as you all know that I love supporting local brands. So मुझे लगता है the best way to love your country, to love your people, and to also give yourself a chance to grow is to help other people grow. That is a rule that I live by, and I always ensure that if I really want to tell someone that I care about them, I like to invest in their startup, in their initiative. And this time, a very dear friend of mine, Ali Faizan, he has started this amazing perfume business, and I'm the lucky one to get a present from them. लेकिन इस बार हम उनका काफ़ी honest review करेंगे. So Ali, thank you so much for sending this to me. So Presents for You is the brand. Presents, I believe, is the name, and Presents for You is the Instagram title. और इसमें क्या क्या है? Let's just have a look at it. सबसे पहले तो we got thank you note. So thank you for starting a brand and giving us this option कि जब भी हम परफ्यूम अपने लिए खरीदना चाहें या अपने किसी फ्रेंड के लिए लेना चाहें, so we can definitely consider you guys. And this is actually a personalized one. So as you can see, it has my name on it. And what does it say? It says, we are exceptionally grateful that you will be reviewing our product that is carefully crafted to ensure the highest quality is delivered to our valuable customers. उनका mission है to become the leading lifestyle brand of Pakistan. And I'm definitely one of the first ones. And I love the motto, Made in Pakistan, Pakistan Zindabad. So Ali, इस बात के लिए 10 नंबर आपके हुए. Now let's figure out कि बीच में क्या है. Okay, so first things first, I got this beautifully wrapped perfume. So let's see कि इसके अंदर क्या है. What is it called? Oh wow. Presents का ये एक ओरिजिनल प्रोडक्ट है जिसका नाम है Queen of Flowers. So this is a perfume for her, and let's just find out कि इसके अंदर और क्या है. The box opens pretty much like this, and the bottle is inside. It is very nicely seated so that the bottle is not damaged. ये शीशे की बोतल है और I love it. Now let's just try it out. इसकी fragrance कैसी है? Wow. I really like this. I really like this. It is 50 ml. और इसकी जो डिस्क्रिप्शन है उसको भी ज़रा हम पढ़ते हैं कि what does the description say. So Queen of Flowers जो इनका प्रोडक्ट है, इसकी जो बेसिक फ्रेगरेंस है, I believe it is meant to be flowery. Yep. इसके जो ingredients हैं, of course, yeah, it is meant to be flowery. So this is an amazing product by them. I really like this. I'll definitely be using it. उसके अलावा we got 2 more samples also. So let's just try them out also. This one is for him. It's called Irresistible Man, and this one is called Unpredictable Farm. This is fruity, floral, and woody. So let's just see कि ये कैसी है. Probably I'll share these with my family members. I'll give one to my brother and I'll give one to my sister-in-law and ask them to try as well. और अगर इसको हम try करें, wow, ये खुल नहीं रहा मुझसे. अली, ये खुल नहीं रहा. But that's okay क्योंकि ये sample है. चलो कोई नहीं. I think मैं गलत कर रही हूँ. ये ऐसे खुलना है ना? हाँ. Yeah. I think how you open this sample, you have to like remove this part and then just get rid of it or something, and then वो मैं ऐसे तो बिल्कुल नहीं उतरा. वो वाला तो फिर उतर गया था.
2 hours later.
अब मैं क्या करूँ? वो नहीं खुल. ये चीज़. It open. We need to learn how to open stuff. Oh my god, this is so cool. This reminds me of a perfume जो मेरे पास अमेरिका में था 20 साल पहले. I think मेरी वालदा लगाती थी, and all of a sudden it has brought back memories. और वो भी एक सैम्पल की फॉर्म में था for some odd reason. कहीं वही तो नहीं. But I love this one. इनका अनप्रिडिक्टेबल फार्म जो है ना, दैट इज़ वेरी नाइस. आई हाईली रिकमेंड दिस वन. द सैम्पल देखने मुझे सैम्पल पसंद आया है ओरिजिनल प्रोडक्ट से ज़्यादा. और दूसरा वाला आई गिव दिस टू माई ब्रदर और आई गिव दिस टू माई फादर, मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली टू माई ब्रदर, बिकॉज इट्स बीन अ व्हाइल आई हैव नॉट गिवन हिम एनी गिफ्ट. माई गॉड गिरने लगा था. सो इस वाले का नाम है इररेजिस्टिबल मैन. उसको भी फिगर आउट करते हैं किसी का साइज है. It smells very nice. It smells manly, and I think my brother would be able to tell better, or any guy friend ke. But I like this. Like I would like anyone to smell like this. So that's about the men's perfume. So I got a present, my family got a present, and it's time you give a present to someone else. So please check out Presents for You on Instagram. I have followed them, और मैं यहाँ पे link भी करूँगी. And support this startup. They have good products. So it's not out of charity. It's about quality. So it's time that we support quality from our own nation. And very rightly what Ali Faizan said, Pakistan, Zindabad.